Unit 5, Lesson 6, Track 22. Listen and check your answers. 1. Khalid's father is ringing about a mountain bike for sale. What kind of bike is it?
It's a mountain bike.
What size is it?
It's smaller than a man's bike.
Is it in good condition?
Yes, very good.
What colour is it?
It's mainly red.
How many gears does it have?
21.
Does it have any extras?
No, but it's a really good bike.
What about lights?
No, it hasn't got any lights.
How old is it?
It's only a year old. It's as good as new.
How much is it?
It's 75,000 dinar.
Would you take less?
Well, maybe 70,000.
2. Khalid's father is ringing about a town bike for sale. What kind of bike is it?
It's a town bike.
What size is it?
It's the same size as a man's bike.
Is it in good condition?
It's okay, but the front tyre is worn.
What colour is it?
It's brown.
How many gears does it have?
It doesn't have any.
Does it have any extras?
I don't think so.
What about lights?
No, but it has reflectors.
How old is it?
It's about 10 years old.
How much is it?
It's 50,000 dinar.
Would you take less?
No, sorry. 50,000 is a good price.